So ayan, good morning mga kapatid. Dito po kami sa Magdala. So, sarado mga kapatid dahil sa sitwasyon. So hindi kami nagdala ng susi. Magdala dapat, sabi nga, magdala ng susi. Hindi kami nakadala. Magdala. So this is the hometown of Mary Magdalene mga kapatid na pinagaling ng Panginoon. Was been, anong tawag dyan? Healed by Christ. And pinalaya siya sa 7 demons mga kapatid, mga evil spirit. So,
go to the hotel.
Ah, it's open. Yo, it's open. Oh, it's open. Oh, it's open. It's open. Oh, open. Si MJ lang yung palang hinihintay eh. Ayan mga kapatid, open pa yung Magdala. Magdala. Okay. Ayan, di ba? Pasok na. Actually, first time ko makapasok dito. So, it's nice. It's nice. Huwag kang pumasok dyan kasi pag mapumasok ka dyan, hindi ka na sa Israel. Sa ibang bansa ka na. Okay. Saan daw tayo? Dito sa kabila? Dito. Magdala. Magdala. Ah, it's the hotel. May hotel dito mga kapatid oh. Ayan oh, Magdala Hotel. Oh, beautiful. So, ganda ng hotel. Oh, here.
Here's the hotel.
Let's take a picture. Here. Oh, tingnan niyo po, laki na ng olive oh. Laki oh.
Olive yan, no?
Oh, olive. Magdala mga kapatid. Ano? Amazing.
Sa sa retreat. Wow.
Papakita ko na lang sa inyo mga kapatid. This is one of the best hotel dito po sa Galilee. And this is the entrance of the Magdala Hotel. So if you want to stay in Galilee, you could visit mga kapatid. So pasokin po natin yung loob ng Magdala Hotel. So medyo sarado daw po yung church, pero pwede namin makita yung places, yung ibang place dito. So ayan, meron silang special dinner. Ayan, tapos ito po yung entrance nila. Ayan yung reception nila andito. Ayan. So, sila best of the best talaga mga kapatid. Tapos meron din silang stores. Ayan, pero sarado. So, silang Dubai, mga Galilee, souvenirs. And then, meron din sila mga mga pang kung pagod ka na, hindi kang maupo. And then, ito tinatawag nila na 1st century fish pool. Ayan. Fish pool. So kasi famous daw yung town sa 1st century fish salting. So nagdadaing sila. Yung pinaka-Greek niya ay Tirakeia, a place of processing fish. So si Josephus. Ayan, so Magdala. Kilala sila dito na nagbebenta ng mga dried fish mga kapatid, yung Magdala. Ayan. So isa sa mga port dito mga kapatid sa Galilee. Ayan, so si Magdalene, isa po nakilala si Mary Magdalene mga kapatid. So, ayan. Nakaka-amaze dito kasi nga they are still celebrating Sukkot mga kapatid, or Feast of Tabernacle, hindi ako nagkakamali. So meron silang suka. Ayan oh. They have suka. Ayan. Ayan, gumawa sila. So empty kasi nga they are still remembering all the hostages mga kapatid na kinuha ng Hamas. So ayan, ganda. Tapos meron silang kainan doon sa taas. Ayan, meron silang kainan sa taas. It's nice. Ayan. Tapos meron po silang
that one second, it's include the breakfast.
much better. So where are we now, Shuki?
Here,
There we
from
go.
the door, from there,
Okay.
we go out to the
Okay.
to the place. We can reach the beach
Okay.
later, the seaside, and we back from here.
Okay.
Make a round.
Okay. You will guide us? Okay. Okay, so ito, mga kapatid, wine area.
Ate Rene, alis ka muna dyan. Ate Rene.
And then, coffee shop. And then, ito po. Okay. So,
Walang magpiano si Stephanie.
okay. So,
Naman ko kayong content.
ayan. Magdala Stones. Ito mga kapatid. Okay, ready na ba kayo? Oh. Let's go na. We're going back here, right? Later? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's go. So, lakarin muna natin. So, ito mga kapatid, no? Wow, amazing.
Pastor, this is the Bet Knesset, the oldest Bet Knesset in Galilee.
The synagogue.
Yeah.
This
the
is
oldest.
this is what they are telling us that it's closed.
Yeah. In 2005, 6, they start to archaeology to work, and here they decide to come,
Okay.
and 2009 already they found this.
So ito pala mga kapatid is the oldest synagogue, Bet Knesset here in Magdala. So possible Jesus was
For sure.
yeah, for sure. He come here and worship mga kapatid. Tara na, tara na. Okay. Okay. So
It's all the secrets.
they want to go. Yeah.
Now because of the situation, they close here. There is the shop, big shop,
Ah.
like that. So they translate also the hotel to let the access of the workers and like that.
Kita nyo mga kapatid, these are the remains of the ancient city of town of Magdala. So dito po yung home village ni Mary Magdalene. Imagine. This is the place where Jesus healed her against the demon possessed. The demon possessed, ano siya? Nasaniba ng mga masamang espiritu. Kasi uso talaga that time. Synagogue. Ito mga basalt stone. These are the ancient basalt, mga kapatid. So it is matigas ito kasi it came from a volcanic eruption. So parang magma. Hindi ako nagkakamali. Tapos na buo. So
Only they sit around like that and
Yeah.
just a stage here in the
Just a
middle.
stage.
It's just to think about that Jesus
Yeah.
walk here. It's already
amazing.
And there is the mosaic. We can see it from
The mosaic.
the second side also the original.
It's the Migdal Synagogue. Ito, may Migdal Synagogue ito mga kapatid. It's dated to the 1st century before the start of the second temple. Synagogue discovered in Galilee and one of the 7 known for the period land, Israel. Yeah.
See how it looked in 2006? Nothing.
Nothing?
This in 2006.
No, excavation nila.
The
2006.
archaeologists start to come and they decide to start.
Start digging.
And then in 2009 they found
This-
the stone, but this not the original. This copy.
Ah,
The original, if I'm not mistaken, in Jerusalem.
Jerusalem.
Oh. In here.
Yeah, because they're studying every
This is the mosaic here. Here. This is the original.
the original. So mga kapatid, mga pictures ng excavation nila. So 2010, tapos ng 2013 hanggang 2018. So this is the ancient mosaic here in the city of Magdala mga kapatid. So hindi ko alam kung anong date pa ito pero kita nyo. So the Jewish people are here in Israel way back 1,500 years. Tagal na sila dito mga kapatid. Punong-puno ito ng kasaysayan, full of history of Jewish civilization here. So Magdala. Mga kapatid, grabe. We are here in Magdala. 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 Ito po ang pinaka-oldest synagogue. Old synagogue pala, not oldest. But na-find out nila, the old Jewish synagogue here in Magdala, mga kapatid, na talagang possible talaga na puntahan ng ating Panginoon. Ganda. Lapit lang pala ito.
Yeah, we can go around to look. There is water system there in the book. Okay.
So, ayan. Tuloy tayo mga kapatid. Not going around.
Pastor, it's more also when the American and like that they come and they explain exactly about the place. It's more, you feel your heart boom 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 like that because she also give you to imagine.
Yeah. They give us detailed story of what happened, just like this one.
When they put the somebody walked, not Jesus.
So,
Here's something.
then mga kapatid, there are some basalt stones pa rin. So, those basalt rock, it still way back during the time of Christ. So, kita nyo, this is the town of Magdala, the hometown of Mary. See, domestic housing. So, this is our ordinary houses.
Area around this and these two streets. That's there.
Mga findings sila mga kapatid. So may mga nakita sila ng mga artifacts, mga gamit sa pag fish, pangingisda. Kapatid, so these are Magdala. Wow, amazing.
Yeah. So I think, if I'm not mistaken, market of fish.
This is the market?
Fish market.
So,
If I'm not mistaken. From the sea, they make fishing. And
yeah.
We will go to see now the beach. Also, it's very close. And there is also place area where they park like the shipping parking, the marina, the small marina.
A port. Simple port. Kasi nga mga kapatid, this Magdala is a fishing port, and then they are well known for drying fish. So dried fish. So that's why, yeah, there are some scholars who believe that possible the one of the food that the child, the Lord multiplied, the dried fish, he brought it. Some scholars believe maybe it's possible it came from here.
And I think it's when Jesus that make the miracle, it was dry fish and with the bread it was dry fish.
Yeah, dried. Yeah,
it's not fresh.
Yeah, dried. That's why, and they said maybe it's
how they can eat it.
Yeah, that's why it said maybe it's possible it came from here in Magdala. So it's olives, mga kapatid. Wow.
It's still working, but
mga kapatid, olive olive in Israel. Syrian
kind, yeah.
Kind. So purple.
The team Suri. Yeah, Syrian. This the black and the small, and it's the most oily. More oily than the other.
It can more oil.
Have here more oil in
kapatid, olive. Amazing.
The black and like that. There is a type of the green and big. It's more, like more meat, but less juice.
Oil, less juice.
And this very very good when you make it with the salt. And left it a few days, and it will be very very tasty to eat.
Amazing.
There is in Wadi Nisnas market there. In the market there is the black olives like this. They sell. It's very very tasty.
Oh, mga kapatid, Magdala. And then they're still there. So I think they are still there is a continuation of excavation.
Yeah, but let's see there what they write. I was here, because I'm not with the group all the time. I don't remember even everything. Production and housing area. This
Ah, okay, it's a house. But it's a prominent kind of house because it's a large house.
yeah, and they make a system of the light like to enter.
Oh. So malaking bahay daw ito dito sa Magdala mga kapatid. Large. It's a family house. Amazing. Diba, nakaka-bless mga kapatid na mapuntahan yung mga lugar na ito. So,
It was
awesome.
large family, like
Yeah,
a big
large.
family.
amazing. They could portray how the house look like, right?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Now with the AI also,
Yeah.
they put a lot of information and it give you the Pastor. It's very very amazing. It's a close, but it's very nice place to come when it's really open. It will be amazing.
We can see in the door.
And here is the falls of the. Here, I used to believe that the water was high.
High?
More high. Because they found a lot of fish bones here. You know, it's like they said it's almost until here the water.
The water. The water.
Yeah, almost. Like, and the shipping it's until here.
Okay. Yeah, because it's very different from now, right now.
Yeah.
The situation during the time of Christ. So this is the church mga kapatid, pero sarado po yung church ngayon. So we are going to the port kasi nga port.
There is also fish pool here. Right? It's like lot of history. Hello.
Yun yung mga remains pa rin mga kapatid.
Tabaraya, maganda. Matur.
So, ayun, medyo mainit pero amazing mga kapatid, Magdala. So very familiar in the Bible. The place where Mary Magdalene possible dito rin po siya naglumaki. Grew up here. So, and napaka-amazing kasi namit niya yung Panginoon and she's one of the woman, a very faithful woman that followed Jesus and to death. Yung pagmamahal niya sa Panginoon. It's a nice. It's a nice to have a wedding here. Wedding ceremony.
لا 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 فكرتها مش شغال عشان يوم الأحد ليه؟
May napansin ako dito, tingnan niyo po. Yung hindi siya buhangin pero puro shell. Ngayon puro shell yung holy shell. Amazing. Diba? Shell ng Galilee. Amoy siya. Pero na siya, na-dry na kasi nga dahil sa init mga kapatid. Amazing. Dito po tayo sa Magdala mga kapatid. Ganda. So, imagine napuntahan ito ng ating Panginoon na pupuntahan natin. And until now, Magdala pa rin yung kanyang pangalan. Ayun nga, kilala talaga si Mary Magdalene dito mga kapatid na pinagaling na ating Panginoon. So, ayan. Ganda dito. Pwede po mag-wedding dito. Ceremony. Nandiyan po yung Golan Heights na mga kapatid sa taas. Tapos ito yung church ng Magdala. Ayan. Ito, eucalyptus. Ito yung mga tree. Eucalyptus tree. Ayan. Sarap ng hangin. Praise God. God is good.